Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about anonymous functions or lambda expressions. Now, what do you mean by anonymous functions? Anonymous functions are the functions which do not have any name. Okay. Now, before going to learn about anonymous functions or lambda expressions, let's revise the function basics. Now, how do you write your function? DEF, the shortcut form of definition, and DEF is a keyword. Okay, and let us write a Python program, a Python definition to find the cube of a number. Okay, for that I will write cube of, I will receive a parameter x and return x cube. So x into x into x. So this is my function definition to find the cube of a number. Now how do you call this number? Cube of some x, let us say 5. Now I want to print this. Cube of 5 is 125. Okay. Now since the definition is a one-liner, see, only one line is enough to write this type of functions. Now let us write square of a number. And we will call this square function. Now it will print 125 and 16. Okay. So in Python, when we want to write a single liners, we can use lambda expressions. Lambda expressions are anonymous functions. Till now, we have learned that function should be called with name. And we have a type of functions which do not have name. Let us learn how to write a lambda expression now. Okay. Now lambda expression for the same cube and square function we can write like this. You have to write keyword called lambda. 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 Lambda is a keyword, not the function name. Lambda. And what is the parameter you need? X. You have to write colon and the expression. What do you want to find? Cube. So cube that's all. Did you notice that we did not write any return statement here? Okay. Now when there is no name, how can we call this function? Now let us try with lambda. Some students will think like this. So it is giving error because lambda is a keyword but not the name of the function. Now how to call this function name without knowing its name? Okay, now we can solve this problem by assigning this expression to a variable. Let us say cube. Any variable, not only cube, C, D, or anything. It's not like I am writing this cube because to understand you better. You can understand it better. That's why. So now I can call like a function cube of 5. Got it? Now in the same way you can write the square of a function. You have to write lambda, and what is the parameter you need? X. A single argument is enough to find the square, and you have to keep a colon, okay, and the expression, the value you want. What is the expression you need? Square of a number, so x into x. That's all. No need to write return statement here. Now how to call this function without knowing its name? You have to assign with some variable. Let us say r. There is no restriction that you have to keep square. Okay, you can keep any variable. Let us say t or r or y. You can keep anything. That is your choice. So I'm making this as square because to understand better. So now this, the variable called square, is used to call this lambda expression or anonymous function. Now I can call like a regular function. Like now the variable is square and the parameter is x. So call it with a value. Let us say 8. Now I want to print this. That's all. You will get cube of 5 is 125 and square of 8 is 64. Now let us find the area of circle. Pause this video and try to write on your own. Okay? Now lambda. Now to find the area of circle, what is the parameter you needed? Just the radius. That's all. Because the area of circle formula is pi r square, and pi is a constant and r is the unknown thing, so you need only one parameter. So what is the expression? Pi r square. Pi, the value of pi is taken as 3.14 into r square, r into r. So this is the value. Now you have to assign with a variable. When you assign a variable, give a proper name so that you need not to confuse. So I'm doing the, what is the expression doing? I'm finding the area of circle. So you can give area underscore circle. Now how to call this function? Area of circle, variable name and parenthesis. And what is the parameter here? R. So you need to give one parameter. Let us say I'm giving 7 and I'm printing the value. In this way, lambda expressions are used to find the function definitions which have one-liner definition. If the function definition is having only one line, you can use lambda expressions for that. And to now just revise the basics. Lambda expression does not require any return statement. There is no return statement for lambda. So it will after lambda lambda there is a keyword and give space and give one parameter or the parameters needed for to perform that particular function. Okay, and give a colon and the expression you needed. Okay, and how to call this function, how to call this anonymous function? You have to assign with a variable and call the variable name and the parentheses, and inside the parentheses you pass your argument. That's all. This is about lambda expressions.